Hi, my name is Kapil and today we are going to talk about how to make your home timeless. Trends may come and go, but there are certain design elements that are never going to go out of style. If you want to create a classic look that will stand the test of time, make sure you follow these rules of timeless design. When creating a classic look, one of the main things is to consider symmetry. The human eye is drawn to symmetry and balance, which means no matter what happens to decorating styles, symmetrical rooms will always be pleasant to look at. In order to achieve symmetry, you need to double up on items so that you can create matching halves that make up a whole room. The idea is to create a mirror image on each side of the room, or at least balance what's on one side and what's on the other. Symmetrical rooms naturally create a sense of balance, so let your eye dictate where things should go. A strong focal point is important in any room, and timeless rooms are never complete without them. Much like symmetry, focal points are important because they are pleasing to the eye and give it a place to rest. Focal points can be created with artwork, architectural elements, or pieces of furniture. Have a look around the room and see where your eyes are naturally going and create a focal point in that space. Part of what gives the room a timeless style is the use of classic patterns such as botanicals, stripes, and plaids. As a general rule, it's best to stay away from trendy prints such as chevrons, animal prints, and strong geometrics. Remember that it's best to use at least 3 patterns in a single room and vary the scale of all 3. It's also important to use the patterns evenly throughout the room. This is it for this video. If you want to know more about how to make your home timeless, watch our next video.